Okay, Tesla, replace the electric handle of the electric suction door with a new 3. Today, a video will teach you how to pretend to be okay. Let's take a look at the product first. This is an electric suction door. This is an electric handle. Our electric handles are wireless. Our electric suction door is also wireless. It is okay to plug in the original cord directly. In fact, the installation is very simple. Just remove the door panel. Remove the glass. Just install it directly. But it's a lot when it's dismantled. There are some small places you need to pay attention to, and I'm going to tell you all about it in a minute. Then let's do it. Let's put this speaker cover first. Just pry it up with a skid plate. There are some plugs. When you take them, you should pay attention. Then hold it here and pick it up. Okay, there's also a speaker plug here after picking it up. Unplug this and pick it up. Then there are 3 screws. 123. Then we will remove these 3 screws later. Then use this tool G3O. Remove the 3 screws. Before we install this handle and electrical door, first connect the control box of the handle and the wiring harness to it. The location of the signal line is here. Then wait a minute. If we use the power supply, take the power from the small battery. Okay, let's do it now. Open here first. Here's a button. Lift it up too. Then pick up the tape. Because you pack this all-inclusive, sometimes it's a little more troublesome to dismantle. Find this empty plug of the original car and plug it in directly. Why is this plug here? Because I have another steering wheel installed under me. A gear lever kit. So its plug becomes above this. And let's take a look. There's one positive and one negative. The positive electrode is connected to a small battery. The negative electrode is called a strap, here. The small battery for the new 3 is under the front spare box. So we're going to open up the front of it. Then take its wings off. Then thread the thread out and connect it. We are now putting the positive electrode power cord inside. Where it out, we use this thread. Then in this position, it's in here. The original car has a reserved blowhole. And we're going to take this rubber plug out. Take it out and thread it in. Then bring it out. Then the positive power cord goes through here. Okay, pull it out. Reserve the approximate length of the positive electrode. Okay, ground here. Then plug in the control box. It's okay to hear the sound and see the light. Our wiring harnesses and signal power supply are already connected. The plug is also plugged in. Then we don't have to recover. Wait a minute, put this handle on the passenger door. After it is installed, the test is okay and then restore it. We're going to knock it down. When dismantling the door, dismantle the top first like this. Cut it open. After taking it out, let's not rush to unplug it. Raise this door first. Raise the glass. Wait a minute so we can clean the glass. Unplug. After pulling the emergency drawstring. Before we remove this glass, do some simple positioning. Now the next step is to remove the glass. If you dismantle the glass, let's take out this rubber plug here, too. Pay attention. If we remove the glass here now, this screw was removed. I can see this screw here. But how do we need to see it? Close this door. Close and rise. When you see, okay. Okay, let's remove the screw too. What about taking down and dismantling the glass? And we're going to lift the threshold. Just lift it up. After lifting it up, then okay. Let's get this glass up. Take this door handle off a circle of screws. And then we cut open this button. Okay, after we unplug all these plugs, take this board off. And then, because we're going to install handles, so I'm going to take the handlebars of the original car first. Okay, we can take a look inside the camera. There's a signal plug for the handle. Then it is also a plug for the door lock. Then we unplugged it. Once it's unplugged, we'll find tools. After removing the screws for this 3 handle, we can get our hands out. Now we're going to unload this. It's longer, so we're going to use long straw to make it longer. And here is a 2-3 position rubber plug. Pull it out. And he goes in. So let's start to take these handles off. Okay, take the hand off. So we're going to move this over here. Move the principal's goods quickly. Okay. Okay, the wrench has an adapter plug here. This is a plug for the adapter lock machine. Because we have to install the electric suction door at the same time, we are now removing the lock machine of the original car. We are now removing the lock machine screws of the original car. Okay, we now put the lock machine of the original car. Just don't rush to get it. Exit this emergency drawstring first. Take it out here. There's a plug here, pull it out. The mobile phone of the original car was taken off. What about when you install it? Let's install the handle first. Reinstall the electric lock. Follow the disassembly steps to install the new handle. Connect our electrical lock plug. Transfer the original car. Install the electric suction door in place according to the disassembly steps. Okay, after we install the handle and suction door, we're going to run a simple test. Then I heard the sound and he was already there. Okay. Test is okay. Then we recover. Next, follow the disassembly steps to restore the door panel. Okay, our front door has been installed with electric suction. The door handle is off. The front door and the back door are installed basically the same. If you don't understand anything about the installation, you can consult in the comment area.